Hi everyone, we are going to start soon and welcome from thanks for coming early. Yeah, so welcome to GPT stream and we have got a new project again this week. So the new project is a project for a game jam called HAJIPURO Mansion. But before I talk more about the details and start to build a game, actually I think my microphone sound is a bit weird because I used wrong microphone. Wait, let me fix. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, my sound is still a bit strange. Okay. Should I let me fix something real quick. Oops. Sorry now. I'm fixing the weird microphone sound. Okay. Okay, wait for a moment. Let me. Okay, test. Yes, finally my audio is sounds normally. And yay, sorry for the delay. Hi Modern Retro and hi DRN, you guys are early. And now that my microphone is fixed and it sounds sort of like quite normal now. Yeah, let me talk about this project. So this project is it's actually a game jam by Daisuke-san and Takti, I think. So they are building a mansion, and it's like each of us can build a room for this mansion. So like more details can be found in this document this one. Let me show you real quick. So the link to this document is actually in the description, and basically, yeah, it is. This game jam is called HAJIPURO Mansion 22 Summer or GPT apartment house. So the plan is for everyone to play as residents of an apartment building. So in GPT, you don't need money, you don't need anything to buy a room. You can, if you want to rent a room, simply like reply to Daisuke-san's tweet. I think there is a link somewhere in the document. See, anyone can move in, so all of us are equal. Yes, I agree with DRNMake. This apartment is so cool. And yeah, this is how the apartment looks like. It fills up so fast. Right now, I think all the first 9 floors are already filled, which means there are like at least 54. Oh, I see. I can explain how the exterior apartment works later. Thank you for asking, the DRNMake. So right now there are many residents list, and you are more than welcome to join. I think there are still more rooms. Yes. So right now there are the DRNMake on 9th floor, and I'm on the 3rd floor. Okay. So about this house, each house doesn't have to be a game. So for me, I plan to just make a simple room with a few Pokemons, and it would be more like an exploration game where I can interact with Pokemon and just walk around the room and try to make the room to look nice. I don't plan to make it into a game like puzzle solving or action game. That's not my plan. The delay is longer than usual. Really? Let me check the settings. Oh, yes, more than 9th floor is now confirmed. I think, you know what? I think I have watched a few of the tactic stream. I think each stream, it might cover like 2 floors. So this can actually cover, if you have enough GPT stream games for the whole month. And yeah, hi, sirs. Yeah, after this stream, we also have Mario Kart 8 Playdate. And yeah, you can join so that I will play as Bullet Bill more often. And hello RJ the Great. Right now we are talking about this game jam. Hope I find a typo. I can help fixing. So about each house doesn't have to be a game. The characters can be anything. So like, if you want to be a Flygon living in an luxurious apartment, you can also do that. Or you can be a Sonic living in the house. And this one, do not duplicate someone else's game. This is like common rules. But unless, let's say, you and your friends agree that, okay, let's make one common room and each of us will add different set of furniture. That's fine. Yeah. And to make sure that you can enter each house from the mansion, you need to make sure that you have this game swap node on with the following settings. I think after this I can help Daisuke-san updating the settings here to be English. Yeah. Okay. So this is an example. So basically this is a game swap keyword that you have to use. And yeah, this is the game code that you have to use, which is HPMA, which stands for HAJIPURO Mansion, and room number. Yeah, and of course we are in the apartment, so we have to keep it as indoor as possible. Also, we have to make sure that the player will not be trapped in your room. I mean, of course, your guests should be able to leave the room, right? Just translate it. You cannot enter the events. Oh, I see. I can help adding the text. Actually, Daisuke Sang actually gave me edit access so that I can help updating the document. And hey, Tomer, hi. What do you mean you don't get this jam? So basically, each of us will build a room for this, and yeah, there are some room already, and I actually have downloaded this one because he is the closest my neighbor, so I cannot want to visit his room before I eventually start the game. Okay, so now that we know about this jam a little bit, I think you will understand more when I show this game. So basically, this is the mansion. You can go from first floor to second to third to fourth, and basically in each level there is one game code, but I haven't downloaded all of them. So I have downloaded the room number 304. So let's try entering this room. Okay, let's entering this room together. Yes. Yeah, so in this room, I think this is the first person view. Wait, when is Indonesian Independence Day? Nice. What do I know about Indonesia? I only know some food like bakmi, which is the noodle, ayam penyet, rice with fried chicken. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I only know about food. So CL or CR to do something, but I don't know. So this one, I guess I have to collect. No. So this is Omega's room, and that's a door. Okay, what is this? Oh, so I can. Okay. There is a mini game inside. Oh, I have to tidy the room, but I'm not sure where do I have to. Is it correct? Oh, I think so. My guess is I have to put the books on one side and the clothes on the other side. But I don't think I can tidy the room in time. That's my guess, by the way, because I cannot understand kanji. Oh, press CL and CR simultaneously to leave. How can you translate so fast? Wait. Okay. So just now I was trying pressing CL and CR. Okay, let's explore the room a little bit more. So this one is if I press A here. Oh, I'm cleaning fluff. Left is shirt, right is book. Okay. Maybe I will add mini game to my game, but right now I just want to make a simple room. Are there any interactions here? Nothing. So many fluff ball. Let's sleep. What happened? What is happening? Wait. Is this walk-in closet? No. A big tuna in the bathtub. Isn't this so scary? Like imagine you walk into the bathtub and you see this tuna, and that's fluff ball taking a shower. And yeah, there are some tissue rolls over there. Yeah, nice one. Should I try the mini game one more time? Basically, I just want to procrastinate myself making a game. Left is shirt. But how? It's quite hard to separate them. Like, because the shirt. Okay. They are all they all go into the same part. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so hard. It's so hard to tidy the room. Okay. I just want to know what is happening here. Oh, this actually looks quite nice. Let me close this first so that you can see. Okay. 10. 48, really? That's Omega's profile picture, I think. There is a big cake over there. Okay. Yay! So if I press A here, I guess I can leave. No, I cannot. Okay, I have to press CL and CR. So before we eventually start, DRN actually asked, how does this game work, right? So basically, there is one building, and each, of course, actually, why do we need teleport here? According to my understanding, teleport exit is where's teleport? Object exit. Oh, I see. This one is for like when you come back to this, like, okay, I understand now. So basically each room there is a swap game node on, right? It will check for the condition here, which is if I press up here, and if I'm standing there, both conditions will be correct. So I will swap to the room HPMA 306. Which floor and room you are in? You are right, search. If I did it randomly, it would be 50%. So actually I did worse than random. So which floor and room you are in DRNMake? Let me help checking. You are in floor 9, room 4. Yes. You can also check the Japanese document. Okay, so this is how we go to the each room, right? But what about when we come back from your room? So basically, it will check with the swap game node on output, and like, yeah. Oh, okay. Let's say if the swap game node on output 6, right? It will activate the teleport F, which means a person node on will be teleported to this room, which is the room 306. Yeah, that's how it works. But as you know, there are at most 8 swap game nodons per game, right? That's the highest number. That means we cannot add like swap nodon for all of the rooms. That's why Daisuke has added one code for each floor. So basically when you are at this level, you can access to this 6th room, right? And if you go up here, it will swap to another game, which is the 4th floor game. And the 4th floor game will have swap game nodon for all the rooms in the 4th floor. But if we start from here and if we press down, we will go to the 2nd floor where there are swap game nodon for all the rooms on the 2nd floor. With this, right, you can access you can, with this, each level of the mansion you only need 8 swap game nodons. and that also means you can keep adding more and more floors. Yes. So, okay. Now that I have explained how this works, I hope this helps. And let me type. It's time for me to start building a game, am I right? So I actually have got a few inspiration. One is from Pokemon Scarlet Violet, because we are going to be in the school, right? Yeah, and another inspiration for me is also this Raise Anodon game that we played in the last stream that we raise a pet, although like I will just make a room with no gameplay unless there are enough Nodons. Yeah, okay, so let's start a new project. Okay, so what should I talk about the plan first? But like, yeah, never mind. Let's just start building. So right now I'm going to build an empty room. When will this jam end? This jam ends at the end of August. Yeah. By the way, this jam is not hosted by me. It is hosted by Daisuke-san and Tati. I mean, I still own you guys a community game, so like I don't have a plan for a jam yet. HAJIPURO. Yeah, let's join this apartment. I think it's going to be one of the biggest jam. And J42K. Thanks for the following. Yeah. So let's. I think I'm going to use. By the way, if you want, right, there is actually a template that you can build on top. Let me get the code. So there are actually two templates. Maybe I should just use the template. The template is camera follow the person is GGOOA J9P G11. Okay. And Lepic Gamer, hi! Lepic Gamer is now saying hello from Twitch. So, okay. Let me get the template instead. So that I don't need to do all the boring step, which is like building a person nodon, adding person nodon control. You can join it. You can reply to like you can simply reply to his tweets here, although it's in Japanese, but actually sometimes he tweets in English as well, so that people from USA and Europe can join. I actually help. Yeah, Mr. Nomad is also interested, and he actually has got a room there already, and I also help DRNMake in booking a room because for some reason he could not reply to his tweet. Yeah. And I think the RPG Plus is also joining. Yeah. This is how it works. Like initially there were only a few floors, but it fills up so fast. I still need a good minigame idea. Should I add a minigame as well? No, I have no minigame idea right now. So, oh, by the way, another inspiration from my work is this one. Oh my god, do you think this is so adorable? This one. It's by K-san. Pikachu. But I'm not going to make Pikachu because there are so many Pikachu in TVT already. It has been half an hour and I haven't added a single Nodon. Oh my god. This is so cute, right? And this Eevee, oh my goodness. Look at I really love the jumping, walking animation here. You don't have Twitter, I can help booking a room. Just ping me again in Discord. Yeah, just let me know in GPG gang channel and I can help you book a room like what I did for DRNMake. Yeah. So yeah, this animation is so good. Okay. So let's go back and finally download the template. Okay. So the template is G. Yeah, I mean, what are the most popular Pokemon in general? I think Pikachu is the most popular one, right? So yeah. Of course there are many Pikachu. Oh, but sir, are you going to do this though? Will you make Flygon room? And mini game. Maybe you can raise Flygon's family. I think this is a template for room 101. Okay, I have got a template ready. So HMD.com, do you want to join? If you want to join, then what kind of room do you want to make? I need to copy first. Yeah, by the way, today I have ordered a new stylus for my Sword and Shield OST. Am I right? This is what's inside the template. So I have got the Personodon here and the camera attached to it. This is a Personodon. When A button is pressed for 1 second, it will swap. Wrong mouse. It will swap. It will go back to previous. Okay. But it need to send the value 101 here so that when we go back to the main game, it will go back to like in front of the mansion room. So HND you make a room for your Lichstern Genesis main character. What is his name again? So for this one, I have to change this value to be 302. And this one, I have to change the game's keyword to be HPMA 302. Okay. Let's test. Let me change the name as well to be 302. Tumor Samson, can you? I think. Do you have Twitter? Yeah. Or Discord. Okay, let me test. Oh, if you have Twitter, right? Let me put the link to Daisuke-san tweet. Yeah. You can reply to his tweet and let you know your Pokemon ID and also your preferred room number. But I think to make it convenient for him, let's just say any room number is fine. I don't know. That's what I did for myself and for the DRNMake. So okay, let's test if I can enter this room 302. I'm going to delete this one. Delete this as well. What do you mean you don't know? Oh, the main character. What do you don't know anymore? What don't you know anymore? So okay, let's enter my room. Are you ready to enter my room? Yes! And now I have finished making my room. It's a minimalist style and no, just kidding. Um, 8 to exit. Yeah. Hey, hi, Mew. I'm glad that you can finally leave from the car. Maybe I should help. What's the code for this game? So, you mean the template, right? The template is, or do you mean the mansion? You can find all the game codes in this document. Yeah. Let me update the text here to be English. The mansion you can I'm using the code for level 3 for the 3rd floor. So this is the code. Yeah. So I want to make a Pokemon room, right? So let's make the first Pokemon. What Pokemon should I make? I'm thinking of Pichu because there are so many Pikachu, but its P-evolved form is kinda forgotten. And also I like baby Pokemon, like, because I'm thinking the mini game can be like feeding Pichu if I add. You need help connecting your room to the apartment. Can you help? So okay, let's following this together. The unmix. Are you using the template by Daisuke-san? So if you do, the first thing you have to do is to change this constant to be your room number. And I know that there are Mr. Nomad joining RPG Plus and also DRNMake as of now. And the second place that you need to change is in the SWAT game Nodon. You have to change this game's keyword to be HPMA followed by your room number. So if you're not using the template, I can help that. Yeah, sure, I can help you, the Nmax. So let's make the first Pokemon Pichu. I think I want to make Pichu because it has got the long ears, so like I think I can add more facial expression. Like for example, it gets excited, it will shake its ears, or if it is like nervous or sad, its ears can drop down. Yeah. Yeah, or RPG Plus might put a boss in this room. Wow. You can, yeah, actually there is a way, you know what, like, actually you can add, like, so we actually, these days we have got, Pokemon Watch Party every Friday, and, yeah, we watched an amazing Poketoon episode on last Friday. You can actually, I think RPG Plus can add that the dimension thingy in Gengar episode, and after the main character falls into that, it can be teleported to the okay, I can help you, the Unmaze. So meanwhile, I will start making my Pichu as well. So I think I will have like 2 3D models of Pokemon, but other than that, it will just be decoration. So the first one I want to make is Pichu, but for other characters, I also want to put Gen 9, or should I build Gen 9 Pokemon? Yeah, since this game is inspired by Scarlet and Violet, but Pichu is cute. Let's start with Pichu then, or Rowlet, so that it can fly in the room. Oh my goodness. Should I make a Rowlet? So right now, I'm thinking about Rowlet, Pichu, and Gen 9 starter. Like the dark Quox. Okay, let me put up a poll. Which Pokemon? I feel like Quoxley is the hardest. No room for my Pokemon Legends. Also, it must have Rotom. Yeah, I will stop after there are how many 10 votes, I guess. Okay, so right now we are going to see which one is the most popular. Oh, Pichu! Nice. Akina, actually, you know what? I think Quoxley is cute, but I kinda don't want to do Quoxley since I plan to stop after 10 votes. So, if Pichu can got the 4th vote, we can end the poll. Rowlet is now how many? Rowlet is now getting 3 votes, and Lepic is now working. Nice. Did you manage to submit the game this weekend? Okay, we need a few more votes. Okay. So we have got 6 votes with Quoxley, with Rowlet 6. Yeah, fine. We will do Rowlet. Yes, let's start. I think Rowlet is also so I think among these, right, Pichu is the easiest one because it does not fly, but Rowlet it can fly. Yes. So if you wonder what Rowlet is, it is the Rowlet. Yeah. So where should I put it so that you can see? Never mind, I keep up. Okay. Okay, so let's build. Let's decide first, like, what are the 3D objects that we can make. So we're going to make a Rowlet. Okay. Rowlet. What do you need help for, Tomer? And the DRNMake. Do you still need help? Okay, I will check that after I finish the basic Rowlet model. Let me also put in GVG help and collab so that in case someone else can help as well. Okay. No, I haven't got the plan for the Rowlet model, seriously. And let me add one more source on the screen so that okay. Yeah, too big. So this is the model that we are going to make. I actually want to see when it is when it expands its wing as well. Because I think I want to make it flying. Yeah. So fly, right? It's so difficult. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me open the image. Actually, now I think Rowlet is difficult. I also have no idea on how to make the beak. I need a lot of carry, it seems. Okay, let me add another Rowlet. Yeah. I need to keep looking at the reference. Okay, we have got 2 reference photos over there. Okay. Now should I do this? Raul. Shiny. What does shiny look like? I don't even know what. No! I think this color is nicer than the shiny one. Okay. The shiny one is green. How should I do this? Can I simplify this model to just a sphere? Like a sphere. We look ugly. What are the feet? Which shape should I use? The wing. Yeah. Like, I cannot just use a cylinder shape as wing. It will look ugly. Right. Oh. I think I must use oh, it doesn't matter. I think I have to use the texture in this case. And hi star. Right now I'm thinking of still thinking how to make this Rowlet into, yeah, I think it can be a flat box. And then I will draw a texture on top of it like this. Yeah. So it will be like a thin box, and yeah, so we can see 2 texture. But for the bottom one, if you look from the bottom, we can see 2 color. Yeah, like this. Okay, that's for the wing part. And I think for the face, it can just be texture. Mew is funny. Mew says it will be finished even if Jad thinks it does not look cute. You are right. I'm so scared that like my room will end up with just one uncute Rowlet. The face shape looks similar to flower ball, you're right. And then eyes, which is going to be a texture. This is so ugly. My goodness. I don't like this. I don't like my current drawing. So this part is just a texture. What about the beak? She used 2 sphere, but it looks funny. Why do I need a fluff ball? I mean, that's also one of the idea. But I still, is it necessary? No, because if I use fluff ball model, it will have ears like this, right? Which is not what I want. The beak. I think it can be semicircle to semicircle to hemisphere. Imagine it's this right, but right now the beak is a bit long, but like if I squeeze it, yeah, it still looks cute with the spherical shape. Yeah, so I think it's fine. Oh, Star, I'm looking forward to it. So this looks so stupid. But then if I make fluff ball invisible and put a texture on it, I can also use the sphere, right? It's the same thing. Yeah. So what is left? Next is the bow tie. To the bow tie, I can attach another object, which is a box here, and then I add I draw a bow tie here. Yes. Actually, you know what? Right now, I think I need. No. Okay. Let's skip what I was thinking. Then about the leg parts. Do I need to add something like this? Like a small cylinder and sphere? I think I need a small sphere below, like this, right? And then the feet is going to be like, I'm going to use a box, 3 cylinders per leg. That's also possible. Okay, so let's talk about my thought first. So like initially my thought was like I will just draw a texture. This one is also suggested by Star, right, just now. Yeah, Star says Rowlet's legs would be similar, but new suggestion would be, instead of using the paper texture, we can add 3 cylinder like this. Which also works. Yeah, all the first 9 floors are occupied. So that's it. The front claw is, oh yeah, front claw is only 2, not 3. You are right. Yeah. So this would be the Rowlet X model, and it has to, because it can fly, I'm going to use UFO. So that it can fly. Star also has pointed out the same thing as me, which is Rowlet has 2 front claws, not 3. Actually, all the birds. All the birds. How many claws do birds have? Yeah, I think all the birds have only 2 front claws, right? How would you get to the middle of the leg? What do you mean? Oh, I'm not joining boy jam. So you know what? Right now there are like, how many jams? I think Star, are you also hosting a jam right now? Like There is one by star, one by boy, big boy. There is one more as well. I have listed them in the pinned comment in GPT gang in Discord. Tomer, by the way, Tomer, right now, I think only floor 10th, only the 10th floor is available. Yeah. So, let's switch back. Okay. Yes, I'm putting Rowlet on the top right so that I will not forget. Maybe you can do the bit connecting the front claw and the back claw. If I'm using Muse method, I will add a simple cylinder at the middle. Tomer, do you have Twitter? I prefer you to reply to Daisuke-san tweet yourself, but if you don't have, I can help replying. Yeah. Let me check. Yeah, I think it's still vacant. Okay, maybe I help fixing DRN real quick. Okay. So before we continue building the Rowlet model, let me help DRNMake in fixing his code. So what is the problem you are facing right now? I also need a code for the 9th floor. Wait, 1B key. Okay, Indonesian. Wow, I can see a big C. Wait, are you Bron the man, Tomer? Okay. Wow, the sea texture. Wow, oh my goodness. This is quite impressive. Okay. Oh, you are using these templates. Also swap game. So you have to change this game's keyword to be HPMA. Right now I'm fixing DRNMake's code. Does it matter? Is it case sensitive? I'm curious. So the room is flat. HPMA 904. Okay, Tomer, what is your Twitter account? I can help you. It's case sensitive, right? And so this game's the second thing is you have to change this one to be back to previous, and the transition appearance should be without title for a smooth transition. Yeah. And here, right, I guess this one is for leaving the room, am I right? Instead of sending the value 1, you have to send the value 904, which is your room number, I believe. So you can add a map. I think your room is 9th floor. Yeah. So I have to map this one to be 904. Yeah, and I can help testing this, but we have to download the another code, which is the nice floor code. This one. Yeah, you can check the link for the room number and to see which rooms are occupied and which rooms are vacant. Okay. So right now, I believe if I enter 904 this room, press up. Yes, I can enter Indonesia room. Indonesia Raya. You should add bakmi or ayam penyet. Oh, I love gado gado. Yes, wait, I forgot to test leaving the room. Okay. So let's walk to the door. Okay. This one is the DRN room. Yes. So I have help fixing the DRNs. So previously the DRN cannot enter and leave his room. Let me share this and you can continue making the room. Feel free to share your progress when I'm about to finish the stream as well. Yeah. Okay. Yes, this is the code. Yeah. G0054RP41D. Oh, this wait for a while. So this is your account then. Yeah. Okay. So let's build a Rowlet. So I need to have a UFO. UFO. Where is my UFO? It's here. My voice is shaking. I'm so scared. Okay. How cursed will it be? Yeah. I think maybe you can put the programmer ID in your comment as well. It's going to be useful for Daisuke-san later. Let's remove the visible property and also solid. And as always, I'm going to build a 3D model with non-solid objects because I don't want to implement like the real physics. Yeah. So I'm going to add teleport object here, teleport exit. And here I'm going to add a teleport entrance. And I will teleport my model to there. Let me use a fancy object here. You can use a fluff ball, but this is going to be invisible. I can make it visible for now. It must be movable. Material, it should be zero gravity so that my UFO will not sink into the world. How come I cannot see? It's because this one, it must teleport a fluff ball. Yeah. I still cannot see. Oh my god. Fluff ball. Let me connect the camera to the UFO directly. This one should be reset as well, but I mean, oh, I see. Yeah, it's because this UFO is actually on the floor, like on the world floor, not the room floor. Okay, let's make this invisible. And also make all of this invisible as well, so that we will not see the wireframes. Okay, so let's add the Rowlet's body. Rowlet. There are like 2 mouses on my table, so I feel quite confused. Sometimes I want to move the cursor in GPT game, but I'm moving the cursor in my laptop instead. Actually, yeah, I can just attach the texture to the fluff ball so that I can save one sphere. Yeah. Object. Okay. So special object texture. My question, should I I'm not sure, like for this part, shall I use 2 spheres, like the inner sphere for the white part and the outer sphere for the brown part? Should I do that? Yeah, I think I should. Yeah, it looks nicer, right? Okay, so the inner sphere is going to be white. Thomas wish there is an IRL fluff ball plush. Maybe should I make one? Actually, I have made a doll before, crochet, but now, yeah. The INF, yeah, I have seen the pic of your face on many bodies. It's really hilarious, really funny. Okay, let's move this up a little bit. It's a bit too dark. Okay, and I'm going to add PJ says PJ has missed a lot because PJ has just woken up, but I don't think so. Yeah. So next is going to be the outer part, the brown part. I'm going to add a sphere, and the size will be slightly larger than the current fluff ball. Yeah, and I'm going to attach the maybe brown texture on top. This one would be on top. I cannot want to show the DRNMake's art. Let me try showing. So in case you need an idea for an awesome profile picture, you can try this. Yeah. It's so funny. So which body do you think suits DRN makes the most? Yeah. The sumo one is pretty funny though. I think the sumo one is the most funny one. But I think the cutest one would be the bear. Yeah. The robot one is quite creative too. Okay, let's go back. Oh, wrong. The connection point of this one must be center. This is like the brow part. Huh? You have made more? Really? Oh my god. Okay, and the material. Oh, actually the material does not matter here because we are going to teleport this whole model to the object anyway. Yes. I've got the top part ready. And then the back part. See, the back is so detailed. This even this part. Yeah. Maybe I do the face first. Face. I think the face is going to be like this. I can polish later. And this is yeah, I have to add this kind of curves to this texture. Yeah, I think it's going to be hard to draw a perfect circle, but we'll do that later. Okay, I feel like instead of being a Pokemon room, it's going to be just a Rowlet room. Oh my goodness, this is cursed. It looks like a ghost, you know, like Pac-Man ghost. Because the size is not matching. Yeah, I think it looks fine, but perhaps I think this one should be a bit larger, so that the gap between the fur and its body is not too big. It looks like a Pac-Man ghost. It looks like sus. Maybe it will look better with eyes. I guess so. Oh my god, it looks even more cursed. Okay. I'm trying my best. And yeah. Okay, not bad. Next is let's add the bow tie. Yeah, it may be an empty room with Rowlet sitting in the middle, and it might be an ugly Rowlet. So I'm going to add bow tie box. I love adding like easy parts. This one should be in front and very thin. It should be very thin. And yeah, the connection point must be in front. So C positive to C negative. Wait, am I going to evolve this Rowlet? I don't think so. And Brett, hi. I don't think I'm going to make it. what is the second form before deciduous eye? I suddenly forget the name. Okay. This one will be the bow tie. Yeah. I have ordered a new stylus for my Switch, so after I got it, I can draw this better. That's what I think. So size, let's use the same size for both X and Y. And we have to change this one to match. Okay. Also, I have to change this texture face to be like C-center. Or maybe Z positive so that it's nearer to the body. No, but if it's C positive, it will get dark. Okay. You can't draw it on the strip. No, because I'm going to use the touch screen, right? Wait, actually, yeah, I think I can because I have this kind of... I think I have this. So, maybe I can draw it on the stream, like I can connect this one to the USB-C port of the Switch and connect this one to HDMI. I think so. I haven't tried that. I should have a smaller one, but I cannot find where it is. Okay. Yeah, I think you know why it looks funny, because it does not have a mouth. But after it has got a mouth, it will look even more funnier. So let's draw the side part. How should it look at from the side? So this is the side. It's going to be this face. This OST is, let's search guess and Mew guess. Yeah, I think they know. Mew should know because Mew has just played this. So the size, this one should be 1.1. It's fine because we will add a wing here later, so we can keep it as it is. And the back part, this one looks like what, the Jinx first baby Jinx hairstyle. So the OST that just finished just now was Cerulean City from Fire Red and Leaf Green. Okay, the back part. Oh, is it the back city though, the Cerulean City? Not the back part. I can the back part also has got 4 curves like this, but it has the tail, this part of tail. So I'm going to draw that. Also, right now I'm not using the custom playlist. Yeah, I'm basically using the simple playlist on YouTube. So right now you cannot add more songs to my playlist yet. Okay, let's use green to draw the tail. I have a feeling that this will look worse than Kirby. I mean, there are so many details. And texture face must be Z positive. This doesn't look nice. It should not. I think I should add one more cylinder here. That's what I think. No, for this stream, I only use Pokemon OST because I'm building Pokemon room. That's why I'm, yeah. Okay. I think I'm going to use a cylinder instead for this part only. I think it's the name of the OST, right? Confronting yourself. So cylinder and connect. Let's see. Okay. Then I will remove this part. Like basically I need a guide. Top part here. Too much. Yeah, I think like this it looks better. And I can use this for the C positive as well. Yeah, there's a gap here because I'm not drawing a straight line here. Let's make this part a bit shorter. Okay. Let me show the guide again. It's a small gap there. Okay. Where will the jam end? The jam will end at the end of August. I think it looks cute, maybe. For the wing part, I think I may use. So just now we were planning for when the wing is flapping, right? But I think I cannot use the same wing in two stages. Yeah. So I'm going to add, this one is going to be the wing for when Rowlet is not flying. So I have to add a wing. This kind of wing. Yeah, let's do it. And I need the darker shade. I just throw it. I did not intend to throw it away. Oh my god, it just fell down. Okay. Wrong face. We are Rowlet fence after seeing this. A bit too long. But it's also because of this part. Oh. I think for this, right, for this four curves, they should be on the cylinder as well. Yeah. Yeah, this one should be on in front. Yeah, and right now there are too many curves, so basically I have to fit 4 right now there are like 6 curves when I look from the front, right? I have to draw a new texture so that this can fit 4 curves. But as of now, let's keep it as it is. Oh my goodness! This is so ugly. No, this is cute. So cute that Rowlet fainted just now. Right. Okay. Yeah, can polish texture in the future. When is that future? I'm procrastinating again. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, what's next? Let's add its beak. So there will be 2 spheres. Yeah. I need to add I want to make it looks sad. Don't worry. Yeah, it's sad because it's made by me. Sorry, Rowlet. So I want this part to move up and down, right? So I'm going to add like 1 hidden box here, and I will connect to hemisphere. And here I will add like Y slide connector, so that I can move the beaks up and down. So I think when is the British time? So British time zone is GMT plus 0, right? Japan is GMT plus 9. So yeah. Yeah, it will end around 3 p.m. UK time on 31st of August. Correct me if I'm wrong. So like next, I'm going to add this part, the red box over there. Okay. Let's change the color to be red. I connect this to the sphere, I guess. But let's see where will this be if I just use connection point to be front. So this one will be in front of the sphere. Oops. Too big. I change this one to something small. Yeah. Okay, so it shouldn't be there. I mean, the beak should not be there. The beak should be here at this location. So I'm going to shift this thing up a little bit, which means I'm going to add so I'm going to add 1 more box below, so that I can shift the beak up. Okay. So this is still not the. Is this the location that I want? I think it should be a bit higher. You can use texture instead of shifting. No, I plan to use a sphere, right? So I cannot use a texture. Wait, how come? Okay, so I have to increase Y a little bit more. I think this location is nice. Yeah. So let's add a big. Next, I'm going to make the pink box invisible so that it will not be confusing. And yeah. Next, I'm going to add Y slide connector. Red is screaming. Oh yeah, indeed, it looks like it's screaming. Actually, you know what? I think this one it should be center, so that the beak can be nearer to the face. Okay. And next, I'm going to add a small sphere. Let's try visible first. Color maybe white for now. No. Nose connection point center to center because I want to test how it looks like. Now it's too small, so it's hidden. Yeah, I think this size is just nice, right? Or maybe like 0.05 smaller. Yeah. Okay. I'm not going to add Y slide connector now because I'm not going to do the animation as of now. Maybe add texture. The top beak has the white color. So I need white color here. This one is on top. And then I need one more with only half. Half texture because this is going to be at the side. The texture face is going to be X or all this at the side. So right now we can see it's big. Yes, the top big. And next I'm going to add the bottom one. The bottom one is going to be slightly smaller. So the size is going to be 0.1. I actually need to change this one to match the size of the beak, the upper beak. But for the bottom beak, it's going to be slightly smaller. Let's try changing this color to orange to see how it fits. And make the red box invisible. Okay, let's go take a look. I cannot see. That's because the lower beak does not have visible property. Yeah. I think it looks much better now that it has got a beak. Oh yeah, when I thought orange when you were dreaming. Right now, maybe you are still dreaming, who knows? Are you dreaming right now? Let's compare. How does this look compared to this? Yeah. Oh, actually, yeah, I noticed now the eyes should not be like this. The looks accurate. Oh my god. Thank you, Mew. So for this stream, I only plan to make a static 3D model and In the future stream, I will add animation. Oh, I think it looks cute now. I think I have lowered my standard a lot. Yeah. Yes. Let's be happy with what we have, so that we'll be happy in life. Okay. But right now it doesn't have feet. Thank you so much, that orange fun. Thank you. What is missing? Actually we missed this part at the back. But I guess for this one, I can just use texture, right? Yeah, I think so. I wonder what that new we will have. I think so. So right now my schedule, I think for August I can still stream, but for September I will have to take a break. Yeah. Why? Because I need to move to a new place. Let's draw the back of the Rowlet. Oh my god, this Rowlet model is so expensive. I'm going to draw this part. Yes. Okay. Rowlet got bowed just now. Okay. This looks strange. Yeah, but we will fix that later. Now I just need to list what I have to add. I have made such Rowlet. Okay, let's add the feet part. So for the feet part, in the future, right, it has to rotate around the hinge here. So I need, let's say, 2 objects here. Like, let's say I need a purple sphere here, and it will connect with a sphere, which will be Rowlet's leg, and this one, it has to be X hinge. Right. Next would be the claw part. So for the claw, should I add like paper claw, like just a texture, or cylinder? I mean, cylinder is nice, but let's see how costly my Rowlet is right now even without animation. It's still fine. But if I add claw, that means if I use texture, I only need like 1 texture per leg. But if I add claw, it will be like around 4 objects per leg plus like 1 texture. So 5 in total. So it's going to be like Phonodon more expensive. Yeah. But the claw thing is nice when, let's say, I want it to grab a tree. DRN has made more of you. Have you made a sus version of you? XPJ, I have no control over that, and yeah. Yeah, so let's use the texture instead. I mean, all of us don't have a power to make decision over that. Okay. I just noticed that so let me add the purple sphere, which will act as the center of the hinge. But because this is not at the center, these spheres are not at the center of the model, right? So I think I would need to add one box here, and then one center box there, just for shifting this box below. Yeah, let's do it. So to make it easier to look, I'm going to remove this texture for now so that we can see what's inside the Rowlet body. So I'm going to add a box in the middle of the fluff ball body, and I will change the color, this color, to be orange to match the drawing on the top right. Visible, movable. Oops. It should be at the center. This looks pretty cursed. Okay. We shrink a bit of y-axis, and then I'm going to add one more box below. Project next. That's a hey, Lopez. Create a Call of Duty mobile in Game Builder Garage. Okay, I will keep that in mind, but I'm not sure when will that happen. I have played Call of Duty mobile before, but I had already stopped playing it. So I need one more orange box at below. Okay. Oh my god, what is this cursed Rowlet? Yes. And like, let's say if I want to make the leg to be closer to one another, I can shrink the X size of this bottom box. Rowlet is this guy. It's a Pokemon. Yes, grass type Pokemon. Okay. And next I'm going to add the purple spheres. And this is going to be the base of the X hinge in the future. So 2 spheres, one for each leg. Let's change color to be purple, and this has to be at the side, so connection point is going to be X negative to X positive. Let's take a look. So we have got this. Yes, let's add a leg next. So for the leg part, connection point, I think target connection point can be center, and on connection point can be Y positive. And color, let's make it invisible because I'm going to attach the white texture anyway. Okay, let's enable the white texture on the body as well so that we can see how it looks like. Oh, this is too ugly. So I'm going to shrink this one on y-axis. It looks like muscular Rowlet. I'm going to shrink this one on x-axis so that it is nearer. Okay, I think this looks nicer now, but maybe it should still be slightly higher. Yes. Okay. Actually, I forget which gen is Rowlet. Thank you. Okay, gonna add one more on this side. So on the other side, I have to flip the connection point to be, instead of from x negative to x positive, I'm going to change it to be from x positive to x negative. Oops, it doesn't work. I wonder why. It's because I won't attach a texture. Okay. Hey, hi, Dylan Garage. Yeah. Okay. Next, I'm going to add the feet. So for the feet, I will need a box. Thin box. So I have to shrink the Y size. So this is like the best. I think I love this BGM the most among yeah. Yeah, this is like my favorite Pokemon BGM, I think. So I'm going to add a texture. Oh, I actually have got an idea for Search can make Talon frame house. So there will be 2 rooms, at least 2 rooms with bulb. Yeah. Okay, let's draw the... When I look at this plushie, right? This plushie actually simplifies the claw design. Yeah. So the back claw is not so obvious, I think. It looks like just a simple foot with 2 front claws. So I'm going to draw that. Are there other rooms like a game you can play, or just a camera angle of a room with things inside? No, but you not steal my passport anymore. The orange one, I'm actually not sure about your question, but I think you are free to do whatever you want with the camera. Yeah, that can be a mini game, you know. So the bird has to find a missing passport and then steal it. This one connection point, we cannot see this box because the connection point is on top of the current object. We need to move it to be below. Also, this thing has to be at Y center and Y positive, I think. Remove visible. And right now the I have to flip. Let's use Y positive only. I actually don't like. Can I make it smaller on the Y? I cannot. I actually don't like this look. Should I fall back to use Muse method. I can simplify this one to be like one cylinder and two more cylinders there. There ain't like the way it looks. Yeah, actually it doesn't look bad now that there are 2 feet. Maybe it's because this one is a bit too long. Yeah. Oh, actually it doesn't look bad. It can look better. Of course, we can improve everything. Yeah. Do I miss? What do I miss? I think I'm not missing anything right now. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Oh, we still have should try adding the wings when they expand. Yeah, my game is done and the Rowlet is not even in the room, right? Why does it? Wait, actually I think its feet should be nearer, or should it be farther? Which one is nicer though? Nearer or further? Chats, let me know. So, should it be closer like this? Or should they be further? Idea for your Indonesian room. If it's further, should I reduce Y on this? Okay, thank you for the feedback. Yeah, I think, yeah, it should be like this. Right. The legs should be higher. I should have known any other thing. I know. Yeah, what are the common games played by Indonesian? Yeah, I only know about food. And what else do I know about Indonesian? I know about the language. Indonesian and Malaysian are similar. So, yeah. My Indonesian friends can talk with Malaysian friends. What else do I know? I have seen my friends wearing national clothes. Yeah, but I don't know what it's called. Okay. I think, yeah, this is the Rowlet. Should I add the wing part? Like the real wing that can flap, maybe later in the future stream. Yes, because after this we are going to play Mario Kart, and yeah. So let's move Rowlet back to the room. Okay. Okay, let's test. So right now, if I enter the room, I should be able to see Rowlet. Right. Okay, let's go to my room. Yeah! Oh my god, it looks so cursed when it's inside this room. Yes, that's it. Rowlet. Still has a large room of improvement. So that's it. We are going to end GPT stream right now and see you guys soon in Mario Kart. Let me add the redirect. Yes. So after I end this stream, you all will all forwarded to Mario Kart stream and see you all soon. If you haven't added me as friend, don't forget to do that. I'm going to take a short break, and you all should do, so that you can go brew in Mario Kart 8. Bye, and see you again. And don't forget to check the description for more detail about to get the link to see more details about this game jam. So yeah, okay, but Best Buy, everyone. Best Buy, what are you buying? Not. Yes, see you guys soon.